Okay, so I am trying to close up the cap on the front of the boat, and it has these curved pieces. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this on the screen. Oops, wrong button. Oh. So I'm trying to do this piece right here, which is the front of the boat. So what I've done is I've cut it into all of these tiny little pieces. And then I've traced out lines on a sheet at every 10 centimeters. And now I'm gonna go and I'll measure the points and make my arc and then cut it out. That's the idea, that's the plan. Yeah, because I don't want to set up the projector, which is what I did for like all of the other curved pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna trace them out. Shocking, I know, invigorating. All right, let's go here.
Drawing lines across the surface, marking where the curve begins. These hands are steady working, planning out what's never been. 'Cause I can't stay in this torn state. Gotta make this change before it's too late. I've got the vision locked inside my head, chasing dreams with my hands instead. It's normal life that I do dread. It's bold life before I end up dead. Templates traced day after day, each piece fits a master plan. Patience carved in every cut, I create the future I'm running. 'Cause I can't stay in this torn state. Gotta make this move before it's too late. I've got the vision locked inside my head, tracing dreams with my hands instead. It's normal life that I do dread. It's bold life before I end up dead. Oh, I can't stay in this torn state. Gotta take this chance before it's too late. Breaking free from paper chains, building something wild and real. Salted calls me to the wave. This is how freedom should feel. I've got the vision locked inside my head, chasing dreams with my hands instead. A bold life is what I dread. It's bold life before I end up dead. I've got the vision locked inside my head, chasing dreams with my hands instead. It's normal life that I do dread. It's bold life before I end up dead. It's bold life before I end up dead. It's bold life before I end up dead.
Hello, I am to the point where I can close up the wings here with the front of the cap. So yeah, I'm gonna just temporarily put it up. So I prepped this piece with some tape and this piece with some tape, and then I'll fit it up there, and well, you'll see what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Okay, now I need to get a ladder. Well, maybe I don't. Okay, so I'll just show you here. Oh, cat. Sorry. Can you see that? Yeah, so the top piece doesn't match the side piece. The side piece should be very exact. Unless it's upside down. No, I think it's fine. So I'm gonna make the top, the top piece match the side piece, and then I think that will fit. If it doesn't, I'll make it fit because it's fiberglass. You can do whatever you want.